it's time to get bold holiday glam. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can see by the title of this video, today we are going to be doing a bold holiday glam makeup look. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Mercier primer. It is their hydrating primer. And of course I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I did my eyebrows off camera. If you're curious what I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's in the shade 2. Now I do still have a little bit of mascara left over from earlier today, but let's just ignore that. So the next step for this holiday glam look is foundation, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. I use the shade Light Sand. Use my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. I love this. Super affordable, and I feel like it works just as good as the Beauty Blender. So I'm just blending this all in. Now I do think that using a sponge definitely shears out this foundation, so I probably will build this up a bit. Obviously I have some acne marks to cover up, so I'm probably going to add another layer of this foundation. This zipper is so loud. So I'm going to move on to the next step, which is a powder to set the foundation. And for powder, I am going to be using the Mercier translucent powder. It's in the glow version, and I have this a little sample, so that's what I'm going to be using today. My goodness. I forgot to put concealer under my eyes first, but luckily I haven't powdered there yet, so let's do that now. So for concealer, I am using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Neutral. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes. Just a little bit, not too much. Actually, I'm going to put some on my eyelids as well. Finish powdering the face. So now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette for this holiday bold look. To start this off, I'm going to go into the shade right here. I'm just using this for my transition shade. This yellow shade right here, and I'm going to also put this in my crease. This shade on the outer corners. I'm kind of working this around the crease as well. Next, I'm taking this gold color right here, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid. That same shade that I used right here, that reddish shade, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. What I'm going to do for the eyes, obviously I'm going to put mascara on, but that's it for the eyeshadow. But I will go back to the eyes a little bit later just to completely finish that up. But for bronzer, I'm going to use the Hourglass. It is their Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This is in the shade Luminous Bronze Light. For blush, I am using a NARS blush. It is in the shade Lovejoy. It's this color right here. Highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight, or Amrezy highlight. And I feel like this highlighter is just fantastic for the holidays. I'm using the very popular Too Faced mascara. I'm going to apply this off camera. For lips, I am using a lip gloss by Becca. This lip gloss comes in a set. It's called the Lip Icing set, something like that. It is a collaboration with Becca and Chrissy Teigen, and this is the shade Candy Cane. This is a really pretty red color. Perfect for the holidays. that is the finished look for a bold holiday look. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that it was helpful. Hopefully you can take the ideas from this makeup look to create your own look. If you would like to see more from me in the future, it would be so awesome if you would subscribe to my channel. I hope that you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!